Have you ever tried installing Microsoft Office and stuck here, let's say downloading at 2%, or your Office installation taking forever, or just failing? Well, the normal installer stream everything from internet. If your connection is slow or PC has no connection, you are stuck. And of course, all that data that you have downloaded is of no use. But Microsoft actually lets you download the complete offline installer as one file, everything included. So you can install Office without internet during installation. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. And in this video, I will show you 3 different methods to download Office depending on the version of Office you have. Now let me quickly clarify before we start what we need. We definitely require genuine Office license. It can be Microsoft 365 subscription or a product key. Then of course we need internet connection so that we can download this offline installer. And probably you may also require 8 GB of flash drive or pen drive or any other storage if you are planning to install this Office in multiple systems. If you want to install it in the same system where you are downloading, then you do not need any external storage. Alright, so let's talk about method number 1 to download Office. And I would say it is pretty easy and straightforward, especially for all Office 365 users. This is the recommended method. All here you need to do is you need to visit Microsoft.com. And then from here you can sign in. After you sign in, click here and go to My Account. Now here you need to go to Subscription. And here you may able to find your Office subscription. Now all here we need to do is we need to click on Install. And then here, instead of simply clicking on Install, just go down here and look for Offline Installer. Once selected, click on Install. And what you're gonna get here is the complete Microsoft Office installer. So this is method number 1 recommended for most of users to get Microsoft Office offline installer. Now let's talk about method number 2, which for detail and complete steps, I am going to provide you link of another video in the description down below. So the method number 2 is creating your own custom offline installer. And the way we can do that is utilizing Office deployment tool. Now the another benefit of going with this particular method is that you first of all going to download only the required app. Let's say if I do have Microsoft Office for Business, then here I also have option to customize my package, and then I'm gonna uncheck all those options which I do not want to install. So what this will do is this will reduce your setup, and this is very helpful, especially when you want to install in multiple systems. You do not want to install any unwanted software and you have less internet connection, because if you are installing less number of apps, then of course the offline installer size also will be less. And again, I do not want to make this video of half an hour. So if you want to follow this particular method, then you may find the video link in the description down below. Alright, now let's talk about method number 3. When we talk about method number 3, this particular one I would say is little bit trickier because I could not find a proper link, but still you may able to find it, or you may able to ask from Microsoft team to provide you direct CDN if in case you only have Microsoft Office key. What you need to do is you need to go to Microsoft.com. And then you need to tell Microsoft agents that you only have got Microsoft Office product key, and then they can provide you direct offline download link through Microsoft CDN. And if you even type this particular thing in Google, you may find Office CDN also in Microsoft forum. However, on a safer note, I would recommend you to ask from Microsoft agents such that you receive the genuine link. And that's how, guys, we just covered how you can get Microsoft Office offline installer from not 1 but 3 different methods, which of course is really helpful, especially when we want to install Microsoft Office apps selectively. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to Office and Office productivity, and I will see you around.